Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. I think that's especially true for food. I love traveling, experiencing new dishes, and then coming home and being inspired to recreate them. The first one is a vegetarian omelette that I had at Cormorant Lodge in Rwanda. I'm whisking up 3 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, and then chopping up a red onion, red bell pepper, and mushrooms. I was in Rwanda shooting for Tailors of Harrogate. It was really special to visit the Copacabana Coffee Cooperative, whose beans go into the beautiful Tomorrow coffee you see here. Anyway, back to the omelette. Once all the veg have softened and become super flavorful, I remove them from the pan and turn the heat down to medium-low. Then I add the egg to cook very slowly. When the edges have set, I spread the veg mix all across the omelette, and then as soon as the bottom is structurally sound, I flip the omelette in half and plate it. In Rwanda, we were treated to the juiciest passion fruit every day, so I'm serving the omelette alongside some passion fruit and the beautiful Tomorrow coffee. And here's me struggling to get Scotch bonnet sauce out of the bottle. Lunch is inspired by my favourite toasty at Joe and the Juice. After draining the spring water, I'm flaking up some tinned tuna and adding mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Then I'm slicing some pickled jalapeno pepper. And also an avocado that I wish was a little bit riper. Joe and the Juice actually use flatbread, but while shopping I stumbled upon these toasty pockets that are a little cheeky shortcut to save me some time. I'm simply loading up the tuna and jalapeno mix and adding a few slices of avocado to each toasty, then popping it into my toaster for 3 minutes. Boyfriend Nathaniel used to live in the city of Taiyuan in China. His favourite fried chicken shop was called Shangli Zaji Dian, so I've recruited his hands and imagination to recreate this recipe. First, we marinate chicken thighs using buttermilk, a pinch of salt and pepper. You should leave these to soak for at least 4 hours, so we left it overnight. To a bowl of flour, add some paprika, ground cumin, garlic powder, celery salt, and 5 spice. Mix this all in with the flour and start to dredge each piece of chicken, shaking off the excess but making sure it's completely covered in flour. Fry it, we chose peanut oil, and when it was hot enough, dropped the chicken in for 10 minutes. We used a meat thermometer to ensure that the inside of the chicken was cooked. We served it up with plain white rice, steamed pak choy and assorted pickled veg. And we garnish with some roasted dried chilli, spring onion and sesame seeds. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you make any of these recipes. Bye!